How does low disk space affect Windows performance? Imagine trying to work on a computer with almost no room left on the hard drive. Everything slows down, and tasks take longer than they should. That's what happens when your disk space runs low. Windows depends heavily on free disk space to keep everything running smoothly. When space is tight, it can cause a chain reaction of problems. Windows uses part of your hard drive as virtual memory, which is called the page file. This helps your computer handle more tasks than the physical memory, or RAM, alone. If there isn't enough free space, Windows can't allocate enough virtual memory. This makes programs slow down or even crash because they don't have the space they need to operate properly. Temporary files are another key part of system performance. These files are created when you run applications or browse the internet. If your disk is almost full, Windows struggles to create and manage these temporary files. Without enough space, applications can lag, and your system might become sluggish. Disk fragmentation also worsens the situation. When files are scattered across the drive, it takes longer for Windows to read and write data. Regularly defragmenting your hard drive can help, but if the disk is nearly full, fragmentation makes performance even worse. You might notice slower boot times, longer wait times when opening programs, or even game frame rate drops. These are signs that your system is struggling because of low disk space. Many software and games specify minimum free space requirements to run smoothly. Usually, keeping at least 10 to 20% of your disk free helps Windows operate efficiently. Windows has tools like Storage Sense that can automatically free up space by deleting unnecessary files. Using these tools regularly can keep your system running well. Also, removing unused programs and cleaning up old files can create more room. From a system management view, low disk space affects how Windows manages memory and files. When space is limited, the system cannot perform these tasks effectively, leading to instability and slower performance. Maintaining enough free space is essential for keeping your Windows system responsive and stable. Remember, a well-managed disk helps your computer run faster and more reliably every day.